How's it going? I recently, I recently decided to go on a website that I'm sure many people are familiar with on here. Let me work on getting my. Alrighty. So I recently went and ordered a package off of a very well-known website. If you've ever heard of the website Wish.com, you're probably very familiar with them having discounted items that often seem too good to be true, or they just seem like maybe they're probably some cheap knockoff or a product that you might not get 100% of its capability compared to what it's advertised as versus what the product actually delivers. And as you can tell, I myself am in the market for a new microphone. So to start this video, we're going to be using my old school Plantronics headset. We're just going to get right into it. So very nondescript packaging. Doesn't have any dents in it though. I don't see any collapsing in the box, no indentations. So we got a nice plastic wrap so nothing's getting wet in there. That's awesome. And here is the packaging. Feels pretty, it's got some weight to it. I like that. Definitely feels like I got everything I ordered. But before we continue, I'm actually going to go up and pull some information from Wish.com so I can show you guys what it is I'm expecting. So yeah, it's a pretty cool setup. You've got a boom for your microphone that you can clamp to your desk. Interesting to see how sturdy that will be. I have a feeling that's going to be probably a little bit of a process to hook up to my desk. And then you've got obviously the microphone right here. And next you've got some USB sort of dongle. Interested to see what that's going to be. You've got a shock condenser. That's going to be just to reduce any vibration that comes into the microphone. Your audio cables and another pop filter, like more of a windscreen. Either way, I really just hope this improves the quality of my audio in my streams so that it can be a little more enjoyable. Speaking of, follow me, Twitch TV/DadWhoDabs. They have some more things they say right here, like how it's got a steel net and a zinc alloy. You know, nothing too important. As long as it doesn't have lead in it and I'm not going to get lead poisoning, I don't think it's really a big deal what the mic is made of. But then again, I'm new to all this. And then they've got some infographs here that I could not make sense of. This is the one I think I ordered right here. I'm pretty sure I should be getting the gold one. And then there's a picture of it all set up on this guy's desk. Looks pretty sweet, if I do say so myself. Yeah, we'll get into the unboxing portion of this. Let's just see what's inside here. And of course there's tape or something. 1 second. Or it's not tape, I'm just dumb. It's childproof. Alright, let's check it out. So we got instructions for settings, just a little instruction manual. And then, this just looks like a frequently asked questions. It's a bit hard to see there with the lighting I've got, but it's like the first question is, microphone, why there is no sound? So it looks like for troubleshooting purposes, I may be back. We got the pop filter right here. We'll take that out in a little bit after we get the boom and the other components configured. Got the shock condenser, looking pretty shocked. I think this is actually going to be a pretty quality stand for the mic, if nothing else. Oh, and here's the money shot. We got the microphone with a crushed kind of little thing on there, but I did get the gold one. But wow, yeah, look at that. That's a cool, flashy nice little mic. And yeah, I don't want to mess with it too much yet, but we'll get more into it. Audio cables, that's going to be going directly into the bottom here and then into my microphone port. And I'm really interested to see how the audio is going to turn out. I think this is another piece that's going to be going on to the microphone boom. Here we have the desk clamp, which definitely looks smaller than I expected, but overall it feels like it's nice and sturdy. It doesn't feel like there's many moving parts in there that are going to get in the way. We've got our USB sound adapter. I believe this is so you can get like headphones or another microphone added into the same input maybe. We'll figure that out. That's actually pretty cool. And then we got our mount. And let's just check. Yeah, nothing else in there. It came in a really good foam mold so that nothing's gonna jiggle around too much on you in the package or on the shipping. It looks like there was a little like indentation from something on the transport, but nothing that I won't be able to figure out myself. Now I'm just gonna start building this thing because I just want to get it set up and hear the difference in the audio. And where did that instruction manual go? It's underneath. Alright guys, so as you can see the microphone is all set up. It's looking pretty snazzy. We haven't gotten a sound test on it yet though, so that's kind of the final piece. I'm going to take a short break and set up every component that is not cosmetic and stuff that I can show you on camera, and we will be back very shortly. Alright, so I went and I played around and I did a couple audio tests, and I really like this microphone. As you can hear, the quality is pretty rich considering it was only $27 before shipping and handling, and it's gonna probably make me a little bit more motivated to do some cool videos and maybe even do some more unboxing content. But anyways, I think that's just a good little introduction to what you can expect from my channel. Maybe in my next video we can get some cool green screen effects going. But again, if you want to check me out on Twitch, my Twitch is twitch.tv/dadwhodabs, all one word. And I will check you guys next time.